Got that ball? Got the ball? There she is. What are you doing? Oh, sorry. Mommy's got a cold. No, you can't have this. I was going to get you over there playing. Oh. Oh, what was that? Give me that. Look at how pretty you are. What you got over there? What are you doing? Let's see. Lexi, come over here and play with me. Come here. Come on, can you crawl? Can you crawl? Come see Mommy. Come and see your Mommy. You're fast. Come on. Come here. Go stand up. Ah! Oh. You better stand up. There you go. There you go. Big girl. Okay, I'm going to pick you up now.